Bruh.
So here we are, in the Minecraft world. Everything looks fine for now. The sheeps looks normal, the sky's still blue. Need to explore this place for a while. Oh my god, I can't wait to see Herobrine. Wait, what is that? I need to investigate that building now, that building kinda suspicious. Hello, is anybody in there? Wait, who the heck is that? Is that Herobrine? And what is this place? Oh, looks like this is not Herobrine, he is human. Oh my god, how can we find Herobrine now?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Oh no.
No, God, please!
Wow, how dare he kill me? Now it's time for a revenge.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hello there.
Boy!
Okay, that's it, I don't wanna play this mod anymore, this mod is getting crazy.
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Yeah! Go stupid! Go crazy! Stupid!
Okay guys, I have to stop now, see you guys later in the next video.